So when I graduated from college, at that time, software development or coding was more about having a good DSA, learning more languages, learning app development, web development, and whatnot. But now AI has taken over that, and software development has become just about vibe coding. And actually, coding has become the easiest part of software development. With Claude, Copilot, and Codex, AI has actually taken over software development. And I feel that the coding part has become very easy nowadays. The code is generated by the agents very fast and also very efficiently. Even in the companies, if you see, companies are encouraging using more coding agents, getting the tickets and the work uh, done faster. And the software development has become just about monitoring what AI is generating for us. And personally, what I feel from it is that the satisfaction which we used to get before while developing a feature or a product has reduced significantly, because we are not getting that kind of happiness when we make a feature, right? Uh, it's more of just using an AI agent to develop a feature for you and then just ship it. But does that mean that software development has become dead, or what does it mean? So I feel that with AI coming over in software development, I feel that it has opened up a whole lot of things which the software developers, especially the new joinees or the less experienced software developers, were not doing. And now they can do it because they have coding being taken care of by AI agents. For an example, the current company where I'm working in, earlier the product owner used to make tickets, talk to the users or the stakeholders, gather the information for the feature, and he used to give it to me, and then I used to develop the feature, right? That used to be my task. But now with AI, because the coding part has become so easy, I actually end up being the product owner of that feature. So I end up being in meetings with the users, the stakeholders, along with the PO. I love to engage with the users and let and know more about what they think about what they require. I've I, as a I also end up being focusing on how do I structure that feature, working on the um, system design of that feature. These kind of things, even working on the documentation of that feature. These kind of things which used to be done by experienced developers now can be done by developers just like me, who is having very less experience. So earlier, I never used to get so much time to do all these things. I was more involved in coding, but with AI, I feel that every software developer has become an owner of that feature and more or less a product owner of that feature. And this is where I feel that AI has actually empowered the software developers. Now, talking about taking up challenging tasks. So before, I only used to take up tasks which were related to coding or have the programming language which I know. But after AI, because AI has so much of information, I actually end up taking tasks which are challenging ones, which I do not have much information about, and I end up doing it well. For an example, I am working on some AI-based features for my product, and I do not have much information about AI, but I'm eager to learn about things. And with AI, I could do so. Because of which I take up more responsibility of things. I'm working on features which I never used to do before, and this actually gives me more exposure in my company. So yes, AI has actually given me that confidence to take up more difficult tasks, learn more, and grow as a software developer. Even after coming back home, earlier we used to spend a whole lot of time completing our tickets and doing whatnot. But since we nowadays with AI, we completed tickets or the work, company work very fast, I get that time to come back home, reflect on my ideas which I have in my mind, convert them to products, again using coding agents and ship products. Uh, this actually helps me to, convert my ideas and ship products faster and experience the joy of, having the end users or shipping your product and doing stuff, which I never used to do before. Now, there are many other interesting statements which have opened up because of AI, like using tokens efficiently, reducing your token usage, using Claude scales, and using local LLMs where necessary, having that learning more about edge AI. This kind of problem statements were not there before, and this actually opens up a whole lot of domain for software developers which they can look into. So what I feel is that yes, AI has made the coding part easy, but I feel that it has opened up a whole lot of domains or segments where we can invest our time into as software developers. And there are many interesting problems to solve. We can ship the products of ourselves without depending on anyone else. And it is a very interesting time to be in as a software developer. And I feel that AI has actually empowered us. So I don't think that the future belongs to very good programmers or the programmers who know all the languages. But I feel that the people who have that urgency in themselves, have that curiosity in themselves, and are eager to learn and grow further and faster, they will be the ones who will thrive in this AI world. This is what I feel. I would love to know what you feel about AI and how it has affected your or empowered you. Let me know that in comments, and thank you very much for watching this video.